There we go. Well done. With your fingers.
Look, where's the side? Oh.
That's all rubbish.
Bigger. Bigger.
Where's your... Do it up this way a bit. You better do it then.
Done it.
Yeah, put it over there then. Then cut another one. Go in a bit, yeah, so you're not on. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
And backwards.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. So don't take my finger off. That's close enough. Let's do another one. Same again, like that. Long.
Lots of colour. Hello.
Right.
Oh.
Right, come here, stand over here. Right, now you've got these ones, whichever shapes you want to put in. Bears. So we're doing some pickled cucumbers with the help of the little helper today. So chopped up all these, some peppers, some white onion, and obviously the cucumbers. Soaking them in, cover them in some salt, and so to draw a lot of moisture out of it, so we leave them alone. So in here we got distilled vinegar, and we've got cider vinegar, and then we've got white wine vinegar. 1 cup in each, and then a cup of water, 1.5 tablespoons, teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. So we'll just bring these to the boil, and then turn it off and let them go cold. So then we start jarring up. So we'll see you then. Okay, so these have been in the fridge for about 3 days. This one is the malt vinegar, quite strong, but I didn't really wait for it. I actually, put a mouthful of vinegar in as well, but it's still nice but strong. The apple cider vinegar is little bit milder, and the other one, the white wine vinegar, the little helper I had here, she took that one home, so I don't know what that one tastes like, but I'm sure it's going to be good. So it worked out quite well. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.